Hello everybody, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find the GCD or the greatest common divisor and the least common multiplier or LCM of two or more numbers. So here's the algorithm that looks quite simple. Assume that we have these two numbers 30 and 78. All we need to do is to find out all the prime multipliers that are in 30 and 78 separately. So 30 can be divided by 2 easily, we get 15. Further, we write 3 since 15 is divided by 3 and we get 5. And then we write 5 to get 1. So we divide the number by the multipliers until we get 1 as a final result. The same situation with 78. So 78 we divide by 2, we get 39. Then we divide by 3, we get 13. And since 13 is prime, we just write 13, since it's prime. Okay, so we received the prime multipliers of these two both numbers. So, to find the greatest common divisor, we should take only the minimum number of occurrences of each multiplier. Whereas to find LCM or least common multiplier, we should put here the maximum number of occurrences. So let's find it out. The greatest common divisor, divisor equals. So the divisor 2 appears only once at each number. So we write this 2 only once. And with LCM, the same situation, since the maximum number of occurrences is also 1. The same situation with 3, so we multiply the result by 3, as well as LCM. And now look, since 5 only appears at the number 30 and not at the number 78, we do not write 5 at GCD, however, we write 5 at LCM. The same situation is with 13, since it appears only at 78 and not in 30. All we need to do now is to multiply all this stuff. So we get that the greatest common divisor is 6, whereas the least common multiplier will be 390. So great. Each of these numbers can be divided by 6 greatly, and 390 can be divided by these both numbers. Great job. We found it out. So let's analyze the example of more than two numbers. For instance, we have such numbers as 12, 30, and 15. So find out the multipliers of each number. It's pretty easy, since these numbers are quite simple to evaluate the prime multipliers of each number. So we do this way, okay? So that means that 12 is the same as 2 times 2 times 3. 30 is the same as 2 times 3 times 5. And 15 is the same as 3 times 5. Okay. Let's find out the GCD, the greatest common divisor, and LCM, the least common multiplier. So the minimum number of occurrences of 2 differs by value is 0, since 15 does not contain 2. So we do not write GCD 2. However, we write these two times at LCM, since the maximum number of occurrences of 2 is 2 in 12. Then we have 3. The number of occurrences in each of the numbers is 1. So we write this 3 at GCD at LCM only once. But the different story is with number 5. So the maximum number of occurrences of 5 is 1. So we write 5 only once. We multiply every single stuff here. But this 5 does not appear at 12, so we do not write at GCD. So the greatest common divisor of these three numbers is 3. So it's indeed so. We can divide 12, 30, and 15 by 3. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 12, 12 times 5 is 60. 60 is the least common multiplier of these three numbers, since 60 can be easily divided by 12, 30, and 15. And that's it for today. So thanks for the video, and I hope you hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So see you next time. Have a nice day.